Hi, this is Lever Extraordinaire, where we bring the world to you. This is Victoria Terminus, the most iconic building in all of Bombay, and also this was one of the first stations that the British built when they started the railway system in India. And all that honking you just heard behind me, that's the heartbeat of this city, the very heartbeat of this city. And you know you're in Bombay when you hear this, and you're gonna hear a lot more of it. This is the fourth district of Bombay. This district is the historical center of the city and houses many great British buildings like Victoria Terminus, which is the subject of today's video. But also there are other buildings that are not monuments, like this building right here. It's a very beautiful building, and you see these all over the fort. The building in front of me is the BMC building. This building is the headquarters of the Bombay Municipal Corporation. This is the governing civic body of the city of Bombay. That right there is the dome of Victoria Terminus. Stay tuned and keep watching. We're eventually going to see the interior of this dome. On my left is the Lion of Britannia, and on my right is the Tiger of Hindustan. This is a perfect example of what you're going to see inside Victoria Terminus, which is a mixture of British and Indian architectural style. As a matter of fact, this architectural style was considered so beautiful that it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2004.
I want to see my Italian friend.
And now we are entering the booking office of Victoria Terminus. This is one of the most beautiful parts of the interior of the station, and I really love the ceilings in this building. This architecture is heavily Gothic inspired, and when you see the intricacy and details, the arches and vaults of this station, you really wonder what were the architects thinking? How did they build it? This building was built more than 100 years ago. And when you compare it to today, you realize that there are fewer buildings being built in the modern era that have this intricacy and design.
So this is the bit we have never been in.
The interiors of the Victoria Terminus are not open to the general public. And today we have the privilege to take you there because of the Crown Jewel Tours. A link will be put in the description. This building has many arches, which is a big feature in Gothic architecture. But this type of architecture is different from a lot of Gothic architecture you'll see in other countries due to its fusion of British Gothic, Venetian, and Mughlai architecture. Very interestingly. So, due to this full fusion, it's called Bombay Gothic. This architecture can be found all over the fort. And now we are entering the Victoria Terminus Museum. You can only see this through the Crown Jewel tour, so please check this tour out. And also, this shows a lot of cool stuff about Bombay and Victoria Terminus. You can see train models, antique telephones, even certain equipment used for the railways, and also this grandfather clock, as you can see. It's been ticking for more than 100 years. Very interesting. And also, this shows how Bombay became the city it is today. Due to the American Civil War, the South stopped exporting cotton to Britain due to the fact that the Union had blockaded them. So Britain decided to look somewhere else. They looked towards Bombay. The areas around Bombay were rich with cotton, and also Bombay was a port, it was on the coast, and its geographical location was perfect at the time. So that is why Bombay became a major port during the Raj era, and even post independence, India, this became the financial center of India. This became the New York City of India. This beautiful painting over here is made by Axel Hay. And if you can tell, there are many differences within the building, such as the fact that the dome is white and it's taller. This was made before the construction of the building even happened. And there was an urban legend that the builders decided to scrap the dome of VT station entirely. But then later on, they saw the Bombay Municipal Corporation office and they decided to build the dome because they didn't want it to overshadow them. But in the end, the dome is still shorter than what the painting is. And here are all the blueprints. These are the actual blueprints of the building. And these blueprints are very beautiful. They show the arches, and you can really see even more of the intricacy within these blueprints if you look at them very closely. This is Sir F.W. Stevens. If you've ever gone to Bombay and wondered why so many of the major buildings have a similar style of architecture, it's because of this man. This man designed Victoria Terminus, the BMC building, Rajabai Tower, Churchgate Station, and the postal office as well. This man can be attributed to the reason for Bombay Gothic and many of these beautiful buildings.
Maharashtra Police Headquarters. It was a sailor's home back then, before the headquarters.
Now we are entering the interior of the Victoria Terminus Dome. This dome looks very beautiful on the outside, but just as stunning on the inside. And a very unique feature about this building is that even though this is mostly Gothic in origin, when it comes to the style of architecture, most Gothic buildings don't have a dome. You will rarely see a Gothic building that has a dome. So the architects decide to do something unique and different. Another unique feature in this building is its staircases. If you haven't already realized, the staircases don't have any supports. So the architects designed this in such a way due to the corner, the way the corner of the staircase is designed that you can see over there. They put the supports in so well that they did not need to put supports below the staircases. That's another very unique feature of this building. Both the staircases and the interior of the dome are made of stone, and over here is the plaque showing the start and ending dates of construction for Victoria Terminus. And over here on the left is a 3D model of the entire station.
काम करो गरम का भी थोड़ा कम भाई काम करो गरम का भी थोड़ा कम करके दिया वो पूरा ले लिया
लॉकर के लिए
What are we waiting for? Quick! Go!
Thank you for seeing the video. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed VT Station, one of the greatest stations in the world. And please, come see us again at Levarj Extraordinaire, where we bring the world to you. If you would like to learn even more about Victoria Terminus, we highly recommend checking out A City Icon. This book has many beautiful photos and blueprints about Victoria Terminus and also history. But something we'd like you to do even more other than subscribing. Come to India. India is a beautiful, diverse country, and that's the biggest reason it's called the subcontinent. But now imagine if all these things came together in one city. That's Bombay for you. If you want to have an unforgettable, an extraordinary, a Levarj extraordinary experience, visit India now. Visit Bombay now. Subscribe now.